creating more resistible offers and ultimately making more money. So make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I wanted to make this quick video for you guys because I haven't been posting the challenge videos lately, and I'm going to get into one of the biggest reasons why I would say entrepreneurs do fail, especially in our decade. Not because I failed, but because the challenge is just, it's rearing my focus away from the thing that makes me the most amount of money, which is my agency. And I've had a lot of problems with my agency lately with business managers going down, stuff like that. Like, this is a real transparent thing. I'm on vacation right now getting a quick break. We're in Puerto Rico right now. We're at this like random private island. And just sitting here made me realize that like there is certain things that you need to focus on as a business owner. And it's not always going to be the main thing that makes you the most amount of money or get to the most amount of results. So the hair oil thing ran really well for a while, right? It was cool. It was exciting. I showed proof. I showed, you know, all the stuff that I was doing, all the tactical stuff for e-com brands that you can copy and paste for all of your clients or your own e-com business. I don't care what you do with it, right? And it was enlightening for a lot of people. I decided to stop it and turn it into my agency, okay, challenge. Because I realized that the thing that's always been my baby is Wojo Media. I make all my money running my agency, and that hair oil business just was milking me, right? Not really milking me, but milking my time and dedication. And I love putting out content for you guys, but you have to position yourself as an authority in what you know you're good at. And I'm really good at scaling my agency. I've always been good at it. Did it for 4 years. It's built me the life for me to do things like this and chill on some random island in Puerto Rico, right? And get up and travel whenever I want to. And no, this is not how life always was. So before I get some stupid comments about, oh, well, it's one of those guys again. No, life was not always like this. It definitely was not. So it just came with building systems, processes, all that stuff. And I figured, you know what, like, I just need to give agency owners more value, right? So I'm going to turn the challenge into something else. And what I'm really getting into about the one thing that kills entrepreneurs is shiny object syndrome. And that's what I fell a part of, which was, you know what, I was running my agency and, you know, I want to try something new. This is exciting, running an e-com brand. I saw my clients killing it with hair oil. Fuck it, I'll do it. I'll spend all this time. I'll make all these things. You know, I proved the concept that I can scale a business like that. And then I fell into Facebook troubles. So I already proved it to myself that I can take a brand new brand from scratch to 6 figures a month, which is obviously $1 million run rate. I proved it, okay? And it actually was profitable by a couple $1,000s after I did the numbers. So I'm deciding to show you under the curtain of my actual agency, show you all the things that I'm gonna be doing, and we're actually gonna make this more of a scaling my agency to 10 mil challenge or 5 mil, because we're doing about 3 to 4. So that's the kind of thing that I'm gonna be implementing. I hope you will enjoy those videos. I think it'll be really, really cool for everybody to see. And yeah, I figured I'd just come on here and give you guys a quick little briefing. No, this is not I decided to pick this setting just to shoot a video, because you're actually gonna pay attention to the video if I pick a setting like this, and my watch time will be bigger. So yeah. And on that note, we are gonna end the video here. I'm chilling with Haley right now on the beach. She's probably mad that I'm not spending time with her. So we are gonna put this down, and I will talk to you guys in tomorrow's video. But subscribe, like, comment any questions you have about this challenge or any insight that you need about your agency right now. I just released the program. No, it's not some $1,000 fucking course. I don't need $1,000. It's 97 bucks. It's founder's pricing. I'm giving people everything inside my agency that I'm doing right now to scale it, and also show you guys live as well on here. No, you can't get all the nooks and crannies on this channel that are in the program, because I just can't give them out for just publicity reasons. So if you want the, you know, the exclusive stuff, it's not like this insane thing, right? I'm not gonna, it's $97, okay? It's just something cool for you to always have these videos in the bag and not have to just keep searching online or maybe scrolling through my videos again. It's very centralized, step by step, so you'll enjoy it. And yeah, if you want to start an SMMA in the next 30 days and get your first paying client, then click the first link in the description below and you can hop in the program. There's already videos in there. I'm adding videos every single week. So hope you guys enjoy that, and I will see you guys on the inside.